In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the upload date on YouTube. But before we do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and leave a like. So first, open up the YouTube app, and this is going to work for shorts and for long form videos. So let me choose a long form video. Let's just say I want this one. It has an ad first. Then if you want to see when they uploaded it, you can see it says 4 hours ago. But if you click on more, you can see the exact date, 4 hours ago, and it'll tell you exactly. So let me choose a different long form video. So this one was uploaded a month ago, but if you click on more, it says May 22nd, 2025 is the exact date that it was uploaded. Now for shorts, just choose a short. Let me choose a random short. You want to click on the top right on the three dots and then press on description, and then you can see the likes, views, and when it was uploaded exactly. So this video was uploaded on July 2nd, 2025, the exact date. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and leave a like.